Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My dear friends, how are you? I hope you are too good. Will be fine. May Allah bless you. In this video, friends, I am sharing you with different and amazing stylish ideas or beautiful different collections. And unique different latest ideas, so I hope you like it. Deep inside my unique beautiful ideas, stones, painting, craft ideas in this video, so I hope you like and enjoy my unique collections. So viewers, I hope you like it. Beautiful stones painting ideas are all in this video, so friends, I hope you like it. So keep enjoying my unique and beautiful collections. Beautiful stones paintings ideas, I hope you like it. So keep enjoying my unique and beautiful best collections and different stylish ideas. Different bunny style idea, bunny stone rock paintings, white color bunnies, yellow color bunnies, pink color bunnies with different flower. So I hope you like it. So enjoy my unique and different best ideas. I hope you like or enjoy my unique collections. So you always keep enjoying my unique and different style ideas. If you don't have subscribed my channel, so kindly first of all subscribe my channel. Enjoy my unique and best styles ideas for different rock stones paintings. So friends, I hope you like it. Keep enjoying my unique and latest elegant new styles ideas. Enjoy my unique and beautiful videos. Take care friends. Allah Hafiz. Unique and different latest stone paintings ideas and enjoy my unique videos.